Thank you for taking a moment to look at the introduction to this Microsoft Excel class. The objective of this class is to educate you on Microsoft Excel. This is a beginner and intermediate level class, and there is a certificate of completion for this class. First of all, let's consider some of the benefits of Microsoft Excel. Needless to say, Microsoft Excel is an absolutely amazing tool. It's a lifelong companion. I personally have used it for most of my life. Excel will make your life easier. Excel will bring order, form, and balance to your life. Excel will also get you ahead at work. Excel works like an extension to your brain. You can make a list with Excel. For example, you can make a list of benefits of Excel. You can make a list of things you need to do. You can make a list of potential life partners. You can make a list of possible investments. You can make a list of pretty much anything you want to make a list of. Essentially, Excel is an amazing mind map. Whatever you have in your mind, you're able to put it in an Excel sheet. Excel can work as a wedding planner, it can work as a date planner, it can work as a vacation planner, it can work as a new job planner, a new apartment planner, a life planner. It can manage your finances, it can manage your weight, it can you can figure out your retirement with Excel, you can figure out your business with Excel, you can map your business with Excel, you can map your success with Excel, you can plan your classes with Excel, you can do market research with Excel, and then obviously the most common form that you see here in line 28 is the business applications of Excel. It's used by pretty much every business. You will learn as you go. What I mean by that is that by taking this class, you will get some fundamental understanding of Excel and you'll be well on your way. However, you should consistently come back to the material of this class and use this class as a reference point for in the future as well. You can expect to make more money if you're proficient in Excel. Everyone is using Excel. You can make a dinner menu in Excel. You can make a workout plan in Excel. You can make New Year's resolutions in Excel. You can impress yourself with Excel. So it's very important to impress yourself with Excel. And as you impress yourself, others will be impressed by your skills as well. You're bound to enjoy using Excel. It will boost your productivity. So let's look at an outline of this class. This class begins with the layout of the Excel interface. In the layout, the first component that we cover over here is the standard toolbar. And the standard toolbar is this bar that you see my mouse hovering over at the top right now with this paintbrush. The next one that we cover is the formatting toolbar. This next toolbar right here is the formatting toolbar. Then after that, we cover the home tab. This is the home tab right here, which is highlighted. When I click on it, it appears and disappears. The next one is the layout tab. It's the layout tab. Then we cover the tables tab. Then we cover the charts tab. Then we cover the smart art tab. Then we cover the formulas tab, then we cover the data tab, and then we cover the review tab. So in this class, we're going to go over the layout of Excel. So you're going to start out with the layout of Excel, and then after covering the layout of Excel, we start getting into functions of Excel. And the functions that we cover in this class are the sum function, average, max, min, count, vertical and horizontal lookup, vertical and horizontal lookup with index, sum if and average if, the if statement, nested if statement, VLOOKUP nested inside an if statement. So these are some of the basic functions that we cover, and as you see the videos, you also learn more tricks that are included. After covering the functions, the final part of the class is manage your finances from scratch example. So there is an example at the end of the class where we teach you how to utilize Excel for managing your finances. So this is an amazing class. We really hope you take it. Before you hit stop, before you go on anywhere else, let's just quickly look at the type of Excel sheets that you're going to be working with in this class. You're going to be working with this basic Excel sheet for some of the earlier work. Then you're going to take that Excel sheet and modify into making it look like this. And then after working with these Excel sheets, these two Excel sheets, you're going to work with some of the charts. And in the charts function, the very first chart that you're going to work with is this simple chart. Then you're going to make a more complex version of the chart. You're going to move into this chart. Then the third chart you're going to work with is you're going to compare some prices of stock prices. Then after comparing some stock prices, you're going to make a share distribution, shares outstanding chart based on, and then divide it over people to make up a pie chart. And then the last chart that you're going to cover is going to be the stock chart, which shows the open price and high and low price and close price for a stock. So this is probably one of the more complicated charts that you're going to make, but before coming to making this chart, you would have already made the first 4 different types of charts, and then this chart will be much easier. After the charts, this is the smart art that we're going to cover. This is the Excel spreadsheet for the max, min, and count calculation. Then you're going to use this Excel sheet to make a VLOOKUP. One of the features that we're going to teach you how to do is this function right here, where you put a drop down box inside a cell and are able to change the values based on using that drop down box. And then after that, we're going to do the HLOOKUP. This is the HLOOKUP spreadsheet. And then we are going to go into the sum and average if right here. This is the sum and average if spreadsheet. Basically, it teaches you how to make a report. Then we use the if function. We teach you how to use the if function. Then we do a nested if function. This is the spreadsheet for the nested if function. Then we go into the VLOOKUP inside an if statement. And this is the spreadsheet for the VLOOKUP inside an if statement. Then after doing the VLOOKUP inside the if statement, we come into the example of using Excel for your personal financial management. And this is the spreadsheet for using Excel for your personal financial management. Again, Excel is an amazing tool. If you are looking at this video, more than likely either you've already started using it, or you plan on using it, or you've started learning about it. So we wish you the best of luck in learning more about Excel. It's an amazing tool. We hope you learn more about it, and we also hope that you take this class and learn from us regarding Microsoft Excel. Thank you for looking at the video.